In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pages to Shopify store and navigation menu. Quick tutorial. Let's get right into it. First, open your Shopify admin in a web browser where you're already signed in. This is your store's control center, and everything we do today happens right here. If you're managing multiple stores, just make sure you're in the correct one before you proceed. On the left-hand side, find the section labeled Online Store. This is where you control how your website looks and what content appears on it. Go ahead and click Online Store to expand its options. Within Online Store, choose Pages. Pages are perfect for static information like About, Contact, Shipping Policy, FAQs, or any standalone content you want customers to reference. Clicking Pages will show you a list of all existing pages if you have any, and from here you can add new ones. Now click Add Page. This opens a blank page editor with a title field at the top and a content area below. Think of the title as the page's name. This is what will appear both internally and by default as the headline on the page. In the title box, type your page name. I'll type highlights as an example. Choose something clear and descriptive so visitors immediately understand what the page is about. In the content editor below, you can write your text, format headings, add links, or drop in images to make the page more engaging. Keep paragraphs concise and scannable so it's easy for customers to read. If you're drafting and not ready to publish, you can leave the content minimal for now and come back to refine it later. Take a moment to proofread. Check spelling, headings, and link accuracy. Good structure helps your page perform better and builds trust with your visitors. When you're happy with the title and any content you've added, click Save. Saving creates the page in your store's backend and, depending on your visibility settings, can make it available to customers. If you don't see your changes right away on the storefront, give it a moment and refresh your site preview. At this point, your page exists, but remember that new pages don't automatically appear in your site's menus. You can link this page from your navigation so customers can find it from your header or footer. That way, it's easy to access while they browse your store. And that's it. Quick and simple. You've opened your Shopify admin, gone to Online Store, selected Pages, added a new page, given it a clear title like Highlights, and saved your work. Thanks for watching.